God bless us all. To God be the glory po. Bible verses. Join me in exploring a timeless parable that reveals the importance of readiness and the consequences of being caught unaware. Let me confess, we've all faced moments when we weren't fully prepared, haven't we? Imagine the scene of the 10 bridesmaids, virgins, eagerly awaiting the arrival of a bridegroom for a wedding feast. They all carried lamps representing their readiness to join the celebration. Now, here's the engaging question. Have you ever been part of a gathering or event where you need to be ready for something important? As the night progresses, something unexpected happens. The bridegroom is delayed. The lamps start to flicker and run out of oil. 5 of the bridesmaids, realizing their lamps are dimming, confess that they hadn't brought enough oil. They scramble to find more, but in their absence, the bridegroom arrives. The door is shut and the feast begins without them. Let's pause and consider. Have you ever found yourself unprepared for a significant moment, caught in a last-minute rush to get ready? How did that experience make you feel? This parable prompts us to think about the importance of being spiritually prepared for life's unexpected twists. Here's the thought-provoking question. What does it mean to be spiritually prepared? And how we can ensure that we are ready for the moments that matter most as we reflect on the story of the 10 bridesmaids, virgin. Let's confess, there have been times when we've neglected our spiritual well-being and prioritizing other things over nurturing our relationship with our Creator. Can you recall moments when you wish you had invested more time in spiritual growth and reflection? Consider this. The 5 wise bridesmaids had enough oil to sustain their lamps through the weight of waiting. They were prepared for the delay, while the other 5 were caught unaware. How can this parable inspire us to cultivate a steadfast and enduring faith that carries us through life's uncertainties? In conclusion, the parable of the 10 bridesmaids virgins remind us that life is full of unexpected moments, and our readiness to face the matters and encourages us to invest in our spiritual growth. To keep our lamps burning brightly through prayer, reflection, and a deepening connection with our faith. Let's confess, anytime we've let our spiritual lamps flicker, and commit the journey of continuous preparedness and commit to a journey of continuous preparedness, knowing that in doing so, we are better equipped to embrace life's twists and turns. So guys, ang ganda po nito kasi isa po itong vision sa love letter ng ating Panginoon. Kaya po ito nalagay dun sa love letter ng ating Panginoon. Nasa ano po to? Na kay Lucas po yata to, nakalimutan ko lang yung verses eh. Nagpapatunay po to guys na dapat talaga sikapin po natin na mentally, physically, and most importantly, spiritually prepared tayo lagi. Lagi po nating i-grow ng i-grow yung connection natin sa ating Panginoon, sa ating Creator. Kasi yan po yung isang pinaka-fundamental na fundamental, yan yung pinaka bottom natin na diyan talaga nagbabase ang ating Panginoon kung paano natin siya nakikilala, kung paano natin pinagtitibay ang kapit natin sa Kanya. Kasi nga po, during the last days of this humanity, napakarami po, sabi nga po, sindami ng buhangin sa dagat ang mga taong likong-liko, ang mga taong napapahamak na, ang mga taong halos wala nang kinikilalang Diyos. Halos nadala na po talaga, nasa likuran na po talaga nung masama, nung wicked. Kasi nga po, nabulag na. Kasi when you say nabulag na, alipin ka na nung lahat ng apostasy, lahat ng deception, lahat ng materialism. Yun po kasing tatlong yung apostasy, pagliligaw, deception, pagliligaw din. Yung apostasy, pagmamali po yun ng aral ng ating Creator. Yung deception nga pong pangliling lang, pag parang papapaniwalain ka sa mali mong nakikita hanggang sa yun na yung papaniwalaan mo, yung deception ng masama, tapos yun nga pong materialism. Although lahat naman po talaga, kailangan natin ng material things to sustain everything, to live while still here on earth with our family, with all our loved ones. So, hindi po inaalis ng Panginoon na kailangan pa talaga natin ng mga material na bagay. Pero mas dapat po nating paglaanan ang pangangailangan ng nasa loob ng ating pagkatao, yun nga pong spiritual needs natin. Kasi wag po nating pabayaan na madadatnan tayo nung isang araw na yon na ending na yung Great Tribulation, nakalubog pa rin tayo. Hindi man lang natin pinakain yung spiritual nating pangangailangan ng talagang kailangan natin para maligtas yung nasa loob ng katawan natin. Kasi nga po itong nasa labas na to, itong katawan natin na to, ano lang po parang damit lang eh. Yung pong nasa loob nito, yun po talaga yung magsasuffer sa eternal damnation at magiging happy dun sa eternal happiness na iririgalo sa atin. Lagi po nating i-try guys, pagnilayan po natin kung paano talaga natin patatatagin ang connection natin, ang kapit natin, ang faith natin sa ating Panginoon. Kasi yan po ang isa sa pinaka-importante para mapasama tayo din sa mga chosen. Kasi sabi nga po, nobody is 100% sure naman talaga na talagang macho-chosen siya eh. Talagang yun lang pong talagang Creator natin ang magbibigay sa atin ng reward na karapat-dapat sa atin. Sabi nga po, laging kasunod natin ang lahat ng gawa natin. So, dapat po talaga guys, paglaanan natin yan. Gawin natin priority yan. Huwag natin gawing option lang ang pagtitiwala at ang kung paano natin nahanapin lagi ang motivation na nanggagaling talaga dun sa itaas sa ating Panginoon. Thank you guys. Sana po kahit maliit lang na pagtatawid kong ito may makakita, may makapag-reflect ng itinatawid kong ito na life lesson motivation na Bible verses din po. To God be the glory po. God bless us all po. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng magtatapos ng content ko na to. Lagi po nating ingatan ng faith natin. Always be steadfast in our faith to our Creator. Be ready, always prepared. Pray a lot, pray a lot. And God bless us all po. Love and light to each and every one of us. To God be the glory po. And thank you po for watching. Amen.